So how do you get the picture to go?
Nikki and Cody,
It's recording.
this is for you.
There's Cody.
She's with me.
Auntie Jerry's here.
And this is Adam. He's the one who's going to hurt Mommy.
Okay, stop it. And tell me how I can take pictures.
Don't you want to, you're going to get video of my face first.
Oh God, do I have
Leave it
to?
on, leave it on. Did you click the button yet?
No. It's going to be a while. I hope you have enough minutes.
Oh, no, it won't. We can start in like 2 seconds.
Stay up. Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, do I just kind of kick back?
Yeah.
Okay.
She's going to scream like a
All
girl.
right.
We'll start with something small like I did on her so you can get the hang of it.
What are you showing?
Everything.
Ready?
Okay. That's not bad.
I got you both.
Okay, now go to pictures.
How do I do that?
Bring it here. It's still recording.
I know.
Take it off recording.